your view trending news updates from NaijaNews TV. Here are the headlines. Tinubu-led State House spent 36 billion naira on international travels in 2024. 85 Nigerian deportees arrived Lagos from US today. Now the news in detail. A review of data from the Open Treasury portal as reported by Sahara reporters has revealed that President Bola Tinubu-led presidency spent 36 billion naira on international travels in 2024. According to the State House headquarters expenditure breakdown, 12.2 billion naira was allocated to international travel and transport training, while 24.19 billion naira was spent on international travel and transport orders. In total, the State House headquarters spent 36.3 billion naira on international travels during the 2024 fiscal year. Additionally, local travel and transport costs were substantial, with 15.8 billion naira spent on local travel and transport training and 31.2 billion naira on local travel and transport orders. Altogether, the combined total for the local and international travel amounted to 83 billion naira, according to the Open Treasury portal data. The high cost of travel by the presidency has raised concerns, especially amid claims of financial constraints in Nigeria. Amid growing concerns on expenditure incurred due to travels by the presidency, Nigeria's Minister of Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Yusuf Maitana Tuga, defended the presidency foreign trips, insisting that President Bola Tinubu should embark on even more international travels. However, Tuga made this known during a recent live broadcast on Channels TV. In other news, the United States has commenced deportation proceedings for Nigerian nationals, with 85 individuals set to arrive in Lagos, while 116 others remain in detention. The federal government, through the Minister of State for Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Bianca Odumegwu-Ojukwu, has expressed concerns over the process, calling for a more humane approach. Odumegwu-Ojukwu, in a statement signed by a media aide, Magnus Eze, on Sunday, disclosed that with about 201 Nigerians currently detained in U.S. immigration centers and about 85 cleared for deportation, the government is advocating for adherence to internationally prescribed guidelines. She reiterated the government's stance in a post on her official X account on Monday, titled U.S. Deportations Begin. However, the United States also confirmed that deported Nigerians will be flown directly to Lagos. It's worth noting that the deportation process comes as part of a broader immigration crackdown by Donald Trump administration. On his first day in office as the 47th President of the United States of America, Donald Trump signed several executive orders aimed at tightening immigration policies. And that ends the news for tonight. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV. Good night.